So we've kept partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region. It's made our way through the day today. And temperatures did make their way up at 95 degrees right now in Scottsbluff after reaching a high near 97. The wind, though, has flipped around to a little more of a north-northwesterly direction. It's around 13 miles per hour. So that westerly flow is drier. The dew point only at 56. So that is some dry air out there with the temperature being at 95. It was getting closer to 75 in central Nebraska. Before that, a little bit of a frontal boundary made its way through. So the good news is the Panhandle, southeastern Wyoming have been escaping the really humid air, but we are still hot. That dry air does warm up and cool down pretty quickly. So we're still at 95 degrees, Scottsbluff, Bridgeport, 90 at Kimball, 97 at Sidney, and a 94 out toward Alliance. There's your wind. Everybody has that wind around north-northwesterly, 10 to 15 miles per hour. So here's a look at our satellite loop. Once again, the higher elevations into the northern panhandle, the southern panhandle, they have the clear skies. More clouds into the valley locations, some clouds near Chadron, and from I-25 and points off to the west. But we are staying dry across most of the region as we make our way through this evening hour. Still that huge warm sector, and you can see the direct flow from the Gulf of Mexico into central Nebraska. We're a little better behind this frontal boundary with that northwesterly wind, but other than that, it is still pretty hot out there. So we got this low pressure system moving off to our north. That cold front will not be moving completely through anytime soon, so we're going to stay on the hot side. Temperatures falling back into the lower 70s this evening, and lows will be into the low to mid 60s still, with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, starting off some sunshine, an increase in the clouds with some isolated showers and thunderstorms as we go through tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures into the mid to upper 90s across the region. And then into the evening, back into the low 60s, mainly clear skies. And for the day tomorrow, we'll make it into the mid to upper 90s, maybe even some more isolated showers and thunderstorms. They're ahead of this approaching cold front, but notice it doesn't pass as it just goes off to our north. So that'll keep at least the chance of some isolated showers and storms. We'll keep the rain chance around 10 to 20% on most days. Then that entire system moves off to the north. We still stay in that hot air as this high to our west takes control, and we'll continue to give us a good amount of sunshine and eventually giving us a strong southerly wind. So here's what it looks like on the jet stream. We got that heat dome that is over us right now, and last week it was off to our south. It's right over us as of today. We got that jet stream going into the north, northern plains, Canadian prairies, and that's where most of the moisture will be. Most of the strong to severe thunderstorms with the turning in the atmosphere with the lows going along the jet stream. We're not getting that right now. We got that over the last couple of months, but now we're getting into our typical dry and hot weather pattern. Every once in a while we'll get a cold front that comes through and gives us some brief heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds with a severe thunderstorm. But looks like for the near future, most of the moisture is going to be well off to our north. So we're going to stay in that hot air, just minimal chances of showers and storms. And most days it will be 10 to 20%. Mostly sunny the next couple of days, mid to upper 90s, 93 on Friday, 91 on Saturday, with slight chances of some evening showers and storms. And to start next week, low to mid 90s. We have a better storm chance for next Tuesday. We'll put that at around 40% with a high near 90. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Now to the extreme heat making summer miserable and dangerous for tens of millions of Americans. High temperatures have already claimed the lives of dozens of people this summer, and some of the most dangerous weeks are still ahead. Here's more.